From Dr. Shahnaz Naeem, I convey my regards to all my brothers and sisters. Assalamu alaikum. In our last lecture, we covered first 6 verses of Surah Al-Baqarah, and today we will learn the verses from 6 to 10 of Surah Al-Baqarah. In first 5 verses, we learn what are the indications of mu'minin. What are the special characteristics of mu'minin? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala clearly explains that the truth of this Quran Pak, which have guidance for all the humanity, and then the characteristics of mu'minin who believe on unseen like Allah Ta'ala, like all the revelations which are revealed on the different messengers of God before. On the day of judgment, they pray salah, they pray for only one God, they believe on the day of judgment, they believe on the Quran Pak which is revealed on Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and then Allah Ta'ala informed that these peoples are those who are on the right path and will be successful. Now, we will learn in the next 5 verses the message of Allah Ta'ala for this humanity. First of all, we will learn word by word English translation of these verses.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. سورة البقرة مدنية. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. إن الذين كفروا سواء عليهم أأنذرتهم أم لم تنذرهم لا يؤمنون. ختم الله على قلوبهم وعلى سمعهم وعلى أبصارهم غشاوة ولهم عذاب عظيم. ومن الناس من يقول آمنا بالله وباليوم الآخر وما هم بمؤمنين. يخادعون الله والذين آمنوا وما يخدعون إلا أنفسهم إلا أنفسهم وما يشعرون في قلوبهم مرض فزادهم الله مرضا ولهم عذاب أليم بما كانوا يكذبون إن الذين كفروا سواء عليهم إن surely allazina, those who kafaru, disbelieved, sawaun, it is all same, alayhim, for them, anzartahum, whether, anzartahum, whether warn them, am lam tunzirhum, am or lam not, tunzir warn, whom they, La yu'minun, La do not, yu'minun, surely for those who have disbelieved, it is all the same whether you warn them or not warn them. Not them warn, they do not believe. Khatamallahu ala qulubihim. Khatamallah, Khatama, set a seal. Allahu, Allah has. Allah on qulubihim, qulub, hearts, him there. Wa ala sam'ihim, wa and ala on sam'i, ears, him there. Wa ala sarihim, wa and ala on absari, eyes, him there. Gishawa, covering veil. Walahum azabun azim, wa and la for, whom them. Azabun, punishment, azim, great. Allah has set a seal on their hearts and on their hearing, and on their eyes there is a covering, and for them awaits a mighty punishment. وَمِنَ النَّاسِ مَن يَقُولُ آمَنَّا بِاللَّهِ, wa and minan nas, min among, nas people. Man yakulu, may who, yakulu who say. Amanna, we believe, billahi, in Allah, wa bil yawmil akhiri, wa and bil yawmil akhiri, be on yawm, day, akhiri, last day. وَمَا هُمْ بِمُؤْمِنِينَ, wa and ma not, whom they, be real, mu'minin believers. And among men, there are some who say, we believe in Allah and in the last day, yet they are not believers. يخادعون try to deceive Allah to Allah. والذين آمنوا or allazina, those who amanu, believe. وَمَا يَخْدَعُونَ إِلَّا أَنفُسَهُمْ. And ma not yakhda'una, deceiving anyone, illa except anfusahum, themselves. وَمَا يَشْعُرُونَ. And ma not yash'urun, aware. They try to deceive Allah and those who believe, while they are not deceiving anyone except themselves, although they are unaware of it. Fi, in qulubi, hearts, him, there, marazun, a disease, fi qulubihim marazun, fi, in qulubi, hearts, him, there, marazun, a disease, fazadahumullahu marazza, so zadahum, increased, zad, increased, whom, there, Allah, maradha, disease, walahum azabun alim, and la, for whom, them, azabun, punishment, alim, grievous, bima kanu yakzibun, bima, because what they, kanu, they were, bima, because what, kanu, they were, yakzibun, lying. Hearts is a disease, and Allah has increased their disease, and for them there is a grievous punishment because they have been lying.
Thank you very much for listening. Translation from verse 6 to 10 of Surah Al-Baqarah. And now we will go for translation. In 6th verse, the God explains, Innal lazina kafaru sawaun alayhim, that the people, the persons who disbelieve on Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the last messenger of Allah Ta'ala, and Allah Ta'ala's revelation, Quran Pak. And these are the persons, the one who knows the truth, who has the knowledge and still did not believe. For them, it is same. أَأَنذَرْتَهُمْ أَمْ لَمْ تُنذِرْهُمْ لَا يُؤْمِنُونَ. That it is same for them, that you warn them or not warn them. Actually, we all know that our choices used to be changed. Once we like one color, we like one food at a moment of point in time, and it is possible that afterwards we like some others, and sometimes we don't have any knowledge of something, and when we got knowledge of that thing, we used to adopt it and we like it. But this verse is for those who know the truth. They are not the ignorant people. Especially in the era when the revolution of Quran Pak is going on, there were some Jews preachers who know in Torah and Injil it is clearly written that the last messenger from God will come, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And in spite of having this knowledge, they denied to believe on Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and the last revelation, Quran Pak, on Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And the other example is Abu Jahl. Abu Jahl and his followers. Abu Jahl knows that Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is a true person. He speaks truth and nothing else. But due to his hate, due to his pride, due to his attitude, antagonistic behavior, he did not believe it. He did not believe on God. He did not believe on Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his messages. So this ayat is for those people who has the knowledge and yet did not believe on the Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his messages. So God, Allah Ta'ala convey that it is not your fault that they are not believing on Allah. They are not believing on the revelation of Allah. Actually, it is themselves on fault. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to be very really considerate that they want that the people should learn and should revert their lives to the path of light. So in this ayat, in this verse, Allah Ta'ala has informed them that you will never be blamed for their not adopting the right path. It is you cannot make them to believe. You warn them or not warn them. You fear them or not fear them. You wait for them or not wait for them. They are not going to be changed. They are not going to change themselves. So Allah Ta'ala, Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala in Surah Ra'd verse 40 also explained that your duty is only to convey them. We have to reckon. Khatamallahu ala qulubihim. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala explained that He has put a seal on the heart of these peoples. So they cannot feel it. As I have told that if we understand something, we can change ourselves. But these are the one who knows already. They are not going to change themselves. They change themselves because the Allah told that He has put a seal on their hearts. وَعَلَى سَمْعِهِمْ, and on their ears. وَعَلَى أَبْصَارِهِمْ غِشَاوَةٌ, and there is a veil in front of their eyes, so they could not hear, they could not see. It is impossible for them to change themselves. وَلَهُمْ عَذَابٌ عَظِيمٌ, so for them waiting a great punishment. They have to face this punishment on the day of judgment. These are the characteristics of Kafirin. They are denying visibly. They are not changing themselves. وَمِنَ النَّاسِ مَن يَقُولُ آمَنَّا بِاللَّهِ وَبِالْيَوْمِ الْآخِرِ. Then God explained that there is one group of people who are hypocrite, who told when they meet to the Muslims, when they meet to the Mu'minin, they said that we believe on God, we believe on day of judgment. وَمَا هُمْ بِمُؤْمِنِينَ, but they are not the true believers. They are the hypocritic people. Hypocrisy is that what they believe they did not show. What they show, they did not believe on it. Hypocrisy is by their action. Hypocrisy is by their words. They are saying that they believe on God. They are saying they believe on the day of judgment, but they are not actual believers. They also not true in their actions. When they made some commitment to someone, they used to break it. Hypocritic behavior in actions. When they made some contract, they deviate from it. When they talk lie. When they trust it, they betray it. When they quarrel, they deviate from the truth. So, these people are munafiqeen, hypocritic, and actually they are not the true Muslims. They are just showing themselves as a being good, Muslims, but they are not. يُخَادِئُونَ اللَّهَ وَالَّذِينَ آمَنُوا. These are the ones who are deceiving God and the persons who are the true believers. By their action, they are thinking that by telling lie, by deviating from the truth, by pretending themselves as a Muslim, they are deceiving God and the people who are really the true believers. But يَخْدَعُونَ إِلَّا أَنفُسَهُمْ. They are actually deceiving themselves. By this behavior, they are walking towards the hell. And on the day of judgment, they will meet to the consequences. وَمَا هُمْ يَشْعُرُونَ, and they are not vigilant about it, and they are not aware of it. فِي قُلُوبِهِمْ مَرَضٌ. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala explains about these munafiqeen, these hypocritic persons, that in their heart actually there is a disease of doubt, disease of evil, disease sins of deviation from righteousness. فَزَادَهُمُ اللَّهُ مَرَضًا. And this disease, God has increased many folds. So, evil is increased in evil, their doubt is increased manifold, and they remained in this doubt and they remained in this evil. وَلَهُمْ عَذَابٌ عَلِيمٌ. And for them waiting a grievous punishment at the day of judgment, and they are not aware. بِمَا كَانُوا يَكْذِبُونَ. And why? For their hypocrisy, because they are telling lie. They are telling lie to the people. They are pretending being a Muslim. They are pretending that they believe on God. They believe on the revelation of God. They believe on the last messenger, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And actually they are not the believers. So due to this lie, a grievous type of punishment is waiting for them. So if we want to become a true Muslim, a true Mu'min, we have to develop the characteristics of Mu'mineen, not the characteristic of Kuffar or the Munafiqeen, hypocritic persons. If you like this lesson, please subscribe my channel, like it and share it with other fellows so that we can spread the message of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to the all corners of this world. Thank you very much.